But now a new technology called InkPod has come into India, through which you can build modular portable homes much faster without any hassle. Nidhi Rai gets you the story.
Gone are those days when we had the luxury of time and patience to haggle our brains with the architect, contractor and the workforce to ensure that we get the home of our dreams on time. Today time is at a premium, and this prompted Nilesh Jadhav to come up with the revolutionary construction technology called InkPod. A very Indian innovation, InkPod is a fully composite, modular, portable structure made with German technology.
When we saw composite technology, we saw an opportunity to create something which is as complete as a car and as easy to understand as a Lego block. Now that gave us a chance to bring in a consumer building system which can be bought directly by a consumer. It's fully built in the factory and you can choose everything you want before you start construction. And then when it's delivered, it takes a matter of weeks to have it delivered and a matter of hours to have it installed.
The technology has just entered the market, but it has already caught the fancy of many people like Rohit Rajpal and Akarshan Kathuria.
I primarily needed an office structure which would be done within a short space of time. After dealing with InkPod, I realized that I could get an office space done at my farmhouse within only about a month's time, which is great. And if you look at the structure, it's beautiful, it's elegant. It can be carried from one spot and take it to another, because that's my plan in the future. If I plan on moving to a bigger farmhouse or take it to a different facility, I can carry it with me without too much additional cost. So that was one of the main motives why I wanted to go after InkPod. And it's the ease with which you can work from a structure like this.
Well, I was looking for a very fresh new look for my house, and something that's not been done before. And so I looked at the technology these guys are bringing in. I thought it was fantastic and very innovative. And I think the modern and fresh look that I'm looking for can be done very well with these guys.
These structures are monolithic modules and are 3 times stronger than conventional RCC. They are made by a material called InSkin, which is lighter than wood but stronger than concrete. These pods give you enormous flexibility in terms of size, as you can increase or decrease the size of the structure horizontally and vertically. InkPod's USP, it is fire, hurricane, water attack, earthquake, heat resistant, which makes it stronger than conventional buildings. These pods are factory fitted with air conditioners, LED lights, roller blinds, curtains, bed, dining table, modular kitchen and well-fitted bathrooms. Products of most renowned companies are used to give it an exclusive look and feel. So once you step inside this structure, you will get everything up and running. One pod costs you 8 lakh rupees, and for a mere 50 lakh rupees, you can move it to your 1 BHK home within a month. PU-based paints are used, which is very low maintenance, and you can pick from a range of red, orange, green, white and blue.
These pods are very strong, crack resistant, lightweight and portable. They come with a plug-and-play model. So what you can do is this, you can put it on a truck and take it wherever you want. The best part of these pods are they can be used for multiple purposes, like a beach house and office. So the next time you plan to buy a second home, you should consider this futuristic idea. With camera person AJ Joseph, Nidhi Rai, NDTV.